I'm Benny Herron,
I'm Calvin Robertson.
and we're with the Father Engagement Unit. So, Mr. Calvin, in our dad's parenting groups, we talk a lot about survival versus living and thriving. Um, and when I think about survival and living and thriving, I think about sort of a raft and a ship or a boat analogy. Whereas the raft is survival. You can survive on a raft, but you'll take on water. You may get a couple of punctures.
Right.
It's not very comfortable. It's not stable. But yes, you're floating, but it's very unstable. Whereas survival and living and thriving, when we talk about living and thriving, we're talking about maybe a ship or a boat and being able to progress through the long haul and take on big waves and take on, the wading waters and changing levels and storms and changes. And it's safer and more secure.
I agree with you. The boat is, it's what we know. That's the survival piece. That's what we know. And at the end of the day, we feel like we've accomplished something. But when we talk about a legacy, we really want to build something that's concrete, something that can, like you said, that can take on the water, the rocks, and the waves and the dips. And that's what we really want to do with our children. We want to build that legacy so that they know how to survive. Not just be in that survival mode as we have done, but that's a change. That's a significant change for all of us. It's like, how do I get from this point to that point? Because change is scary.
So in summation, it sounds like what we're talking about is maybe breaking the cycle.
Absolutely.
And being aware that you're in a survival mode, but that doesn't have to be your existence. You can move past that and beyond that.
Exactly.
And transition into living and thriving, and that's what we want for our children.
Absolutely.
We want to break that cycle.
Absolutely. Yes.